don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's the boat. I got it parked over here. That's probably where it's going to sit for probably about the next 6 months to a year probably, while I get some work done on it. Oh nice, I got some wasps up in the mast. Alright, well. I've been working on the boat a little bit here and there. I've had a couple of weekends where I wasn't able to do anything. Last weekend I went off to see my stepmom and help some stuff with her. So I'll show you kind of what I've been working on though, but I got kind of a mess, so I'll show you that next. So as you can see here, I've been pulling stuff out of the boat. I've got to get a spot for putting all the stuff yet. Some of the stuff is just trash. I'm going to load it up and take it to the dump and throw it out. I may save the sink there, you see. There is an alcohol stove that I'm not sure I may throw out or get rid of just to somebody. Okay, so as you can see, the TV's gone, speaker's gone, the seat cushions are all gone, the galley's gone, the water tank's gone. Most of those, I got a couple of cushions back there yet to pull out. There's the old alcohol stove. Been ripping out wires and pulling stuff out. Took the door all off the head. Got all that stuff out of the head. Got all the stuff cleaned out of the V-berth. So I thought this was kind of interesting. They have the original Chrysler fuse box here that was hidden behind the galley. Not sure how you'd ever get to those, or even if there wasn't a hole in the galley to be able to get to them either. So I thought that was kind of interesting. I've been working a little bit in the boat. A lot of times it gets too dark for me at night, so I decided I wanted to do something so I'd be able to actually see what I was working on. So I'll show you what I did. So here's what I bought. I bought 2 of these light kits. They're temporary string work light, so I can run one. I'll run one inside, and then I'll run one outside because I'm actually going to be building a structure over the boat as a temporary, so that way I can work on the outside of the boat while it's either raining or without having to move the tarp back and forth off of the boat. Moving that tarp back and forth is kind of a pain, especially if you come out to do some work on it. Okay, so I'm here in the boat. I'm going to be hooking up all these lights, and you get to watch me kind of do that and see how I do it. Well, that should give me enough light to work at night. Well, when it gets dark anyway. I think my extension cord is just barely long enough. I probably should get a. Probably should have gotten a little bit long. I probably should have got a little bit longer extension cord, but that's the way it is, I guess.